Welcome to my channel. This is actually a third retake I'm doing of this. I got this painting for $16.99 off of Amazon because we all know that China is not shipping right now because there is a ban on it. It came in this box here, and it came very well done. Here is the painting. It is a 50 by 40. It has a total of 37 colors. Let's take this off. You know how plastic is, so I'm not going to take it all off. Here is the painting. If you can, might help if I sit down. There's no creases in the back. For me, this would be a snack size painting. Very, oh yeah, it's nice. It's sticky, and I'm really messing this up here. Oh yeah. They got on the wrong side anyway. I hit this with a hammer. If I don't get it up, I'm just going to toss it. There we go. I'm going to put parchment paper. I'm not fun with that. But here it is. There are some frayed edges on the bottom, but I might have done that trying to take that off. Call this unboxing failure. It's very cute. Look at, yeah. If I put my fingers on it and it lifts it completely off. So I'm very, very happy with the painting. The stickiness. If I can get this back on. Hopefully I got it on the right side. That's the only thing I don't like, and that's why I will be taking this off. Here are the drills. Let's open it up. It just has a schematic on the side, on one side, but it does come with the schematic sheet, inventory sheet. It's got some pink, some greens, reds. I'm going to zoom you guys in closer so you can get a better look at these drills. Okay, let's see if that's better. You guys let me know in the comments. We got some light orange. They're almost, these two are close to color. So tans, yellow, some more orange, darker orange, red, almost a burgundy red, light green, green, red again. Yeah. Oh. You got some white. Peak, Reed. Okay. But I don't see any black, no blacks. So I'm happy with this. I will be kitting this up, and I will do a kit up video. I have a video I already done. I gotta edit it. It's about what I talked to in the group, folks, so keep an eye on that for that. It will be coming up tomorrow. It was supposed to go up today, but you know how things go. Anyways, happy diamond painting, and I will see you tomorrow. This is day 3 of Nana and Craft's 7-day challenge.